So hey y'all, welcome to our page, and for today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a very simple Diwali eyeshadow look using just 3 products from Swiss Beauty. I'm going to start off with the Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner, and this comes with a gel as well as an eyebrow product and a mirror for you with a brush. So we're going to start with a little eyeliner and we're going to apply that along the lash line. Make sure that it's a little thicker towards the outer corner because we want that depth right at the outer corner and we want it to be very precise towards the inner corner. So even it out and make sure that the area which is along the lashes are really covered. And next I'm going to jump ahead to smudge out the upper edges of the eyeliner. This is going to give you a lot more of a very soft, sultry kind of a look without a very sharp eyeliner. So for those of you who are beginners and you struggle with eyeliner, this is the best tip that you can actually do to get that definition without having a precise line. So go ahead and smudge out the edges really slowly, and then we're going to pick up the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm going to pick up this palette because this is the perfect smoky eyeshadow palette, and this can also be used for day looks as well as smoky looks. So we're going to pick up a neutral medium brown and we're going to apply that in the outer corner and slowly start to pat that towards the entire lid area. Start taking the color slightly up into the crease and above the crease if you have a hooded eye like me. Pat it on and give it that good opaque kind of a chocolatey brown color and blend that really well into the crease as well as the eyeliner. Make sure that you don't cover the eyeliner, but it's just right at the edges of the liner. So we're going to use a lighter brown and we're going to slowly start to blend out the edges above the crease. Make sure you're following the shape of your crease and you're curving it as you go towards the outer corner. That way it gives you a really good eyeshadow shape. Now moving on to a transition brown, we're going to use this shade which is around 1 to 2 shades deeper than my skin tone. We're going to use this to further blur out any edges that the previous colors has let out, and make sure that this color does not touch your eyebrow. There's got to be at least a little gap between your eyebrow and your eyeshadow. So buff out the edges. And then we're going to add a pop of shimmer. I'm using a gold over here. We're going to pat it on the inner 2/3 of the lid. So slowly start to add it from the lash line till the crease and stop at 2/3 of the lid. This is going to bring your eyes out and enhance it and make it look a lot more glam for the festive season. So next up, we're going to move on to a little brown in the lower lash line. This is kind of going to pull the entire look together and give you that completion with the look. So we're going to apply a very little bit of brown right very close to the lash line, and we're going to take it all the way till the inner corner, and then you can take a bigger brush and slowly blend out the edges with a lighter brown or a transition brown. Make sure that you connect this to the black in the outer corner. That way it looks complete and there are no gaps which are there in the middle. Now we're going to use a very light champagne tone and add this pop of shimmer right at the inner corner. This is going to give you that pop and it's going to bring your eyes out. Now we're going to move on to the Swiss Beauty Lift and Curl Volume Lash 4D Mascara. This has got a beautiful wand. It's going to be great for giving you that volume and the curl, and it's also going to separate the lashes as you go along. You can see that this one does not clump at all. You can go with 3 to 4 coats easily and you will not get any clump because of the wand. It's such an amazing formula with such a beautiful wand. So I'm just going to apply around 2 to 3 coats of mascara, and this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this look, and make sure you try these products out from Swiss Beauty. The product names and links will be given down in the description bar below for you. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, bye bye.